Using Capital One Venture Miles is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To maximize your points per dollar, open up the Capital One Venture Rewards program. It offers a flat rate of 2 miles per dollar on all purchases. This means that you will earn 2 miles for every dollar you spend on eligible purchases, regardless of the merchant or category. And this makes the Venture Rewards card an excellent choice for everyday spending. Now you can also earn a bonus of 5 miles per dollar on hotels and rental cars purchased through Capital One Travel. This is a great way to earn a lot of miles quickly, especially if you're planning a vacation. Then, you can transfer miles to airline and hotel partners. The Capital One Venture Rewards program is part of the Capital One Travel program, which has 15 airline and 13 hotel partners. This means you can transfer your Venture miles to a variety of different programs to book award flights and hotel stays. Some of the best transfer rates for Capital One Venture miles include British Airways Executive Club, Iberia Plus, Air France or KLM Flying Blue, Hilton Honors, and Marriott Bonvoy. Then, book award flights and hotel stays. Once you have transferred your Venture miles to a partner program, you can book award flights and hotel stays directly through the partner's website or Capital One Travel. When booking award flights, it is important to be flexible with your travel dates and times. Now, this can help you find the best deals on award flights. When booking award hotel stays, it is important to check the partner's award chart to see how many miles you will need for your desired stay. Take advantage of Capital One Venture redemption bonuses. Then, Capital One offers a variety of redemption bonuses for Venture miles, including bonuses for booking travel through Capital One Travel, transferring miles to partner programs, and purchasing gift cards through Capital One Travel. For example, you can get a 50% bonus on flights booked through Capital One Travel, up to 1,000 miles. Now, you can also get a 20% bonus when you transfer Venture miles to select airline and hotel partners. Then, take advantage of other Capital One benefits. Capital One Venture Rewards Card also offers a variety of other benefits, including no foreign transaction fees, primary car rental collision damage waiver, and travel accident insurance.